Hey everyone, in this video I will explain question number 4. So let's read the question first. So it says one type of scale that measures weight is called a spring scale. You can see from this image. A spring hangs from a fixed position. So you can see from this picture a spring hangs from this, and a weight can be attached at the bottom. So here you can see a hook, and so you can hang any object here, and what's going to happen is that this will start dropping. So let's say it stops here, and from here we can read, let's say this is 5 lb, and it's going to tell what's the weight. Okay, so that's how the spring scale works. Okay, so the weight causes the spring to stretch, and the new length of the spring tells how heavy the length is. So this is the length, and that is going to tell us how heavy the weight is. Okay, a function can describe the length of the spring based on the amount of weight. Okay, the function equation for a certain spring scale is given. So this is y equal 0.5x plus 10, and if you remember from the previous lesson that y is your output and x is your input, right? So your y equal 0.5x, that means we are multiplying 0.5 times x plus 10, and we need to understand what is our x. So x is the weight in grams and y is the length of the spring in centimeters. The units are important, so centimeters and grams. So how do we complete the table? So x is given, which is 2. We have to find the y. Remember, x2 means this is weight in grams, so x is 2 grams. So what's going to happen to our length of the spring in centimeters? So what you have to do is you have to do 0.5 times that x, which is 2, plus that 10. So 0.5 times 2 is going to be 1 plus 10 is going to be 11. So that's how we can figure out the value of y. So I want you to continue the table and see if you can figure out all the y's. Okay, for part B, you can see x is 7, and the question is asking what this means using the function context. So let's see if you can figure this out, what will be a good answer for this. Okay, and C is asking what is the length of the spring when no weight is attached. So think about this. I'll explain it in the class. Right, thank you guys.